Hey guys, so today I'm eating a bowl of Apple Jacks cereal. It's here. A little bit since I've done one of these, but might as well, right? Elephant in the room just hit 1K. Very happy about that. I'm able to talk about that openly on this YouTube channel now. Now, I made a promise that when I hit 1K, I would start putting more effort into my content. I've been putting a lot of effort in it anyways. I'm gonna put it in different places now. Instead of posting daily, oftentimes either on a stream or a short, I'm not going to be doing those anymore. Or not as much. I'm still going to be posting shorts fairly often. Shorts are not going to be videos that I pick out. Instead, they're going to be taken from my Twitch clips. And those are going to be put on there. So, I'll probably put my Twitch in the description of this video. For anybody that watches it to go follow. Now, those new people, because I've had a little bit of growth since I've done one of these. This is not a mukbang, it's a channel update. Half the time my channel updates are disguised as mukbangs. 5-second rule. Anyway. I will be taking some days off, though. This week, I am going to be taking this week off so I can prepare myself. Also, I'm going camping with all my cross-country friends. So I'm really looking forward to that. I leave tomorrow morning. That's going to be exciting for me. Haven't been to a camp in years. And I'm very excited for it. I used to go to camp every summer as a kid. I was that kid. But then later in middle school, I stopped. There's some logic there. I'm gonna be doing that. I also joined a new SMP that I will be starting next week, the Redify SMP. Started by my boy Burning Red. That will have a community Discord server up soon, hopefully. He said he was wanting to wait for the server to launch and grow a fan base before he started. A Discord server. I'm also not feeling the best today, so I apologize. I actually have a splitting headache right now, so I'm powering through. Don't think it's COVID. That's really all it is, just a fat migraine. we'll see how that goes. Well, but with videos, I'm going to start editing them more. I'm going to start I have a few videos that are already in the works that I might air sometime the week after next. Maybe I might get bored today and just air one tomorrow. We'll see how the future looks with that. We'll see how it goes. Anywho, I'm still eating this thing. The video ends when I finish the food I'm eating. You know, eating a box of Ding Dongs was one of them that I did. One of these that I did. Drinking Dr. Pepper was one too. That one was pretty funny. Well, it's speed eating time, so that way I can make this less than 10 minutes. No. You know what? One thing I also forgot to mention, the roast of Out of Context Elliot is taking place on the 26th of this month. Alright? I'm looking for roasters. Alright? So my Discord server is going to be in the description of this video along with my Twitch. Hunt me down in DMs if you want to be a roaster. However, you have to be one of my friends. You have to be someone who actually knows me. Online or in person, you actually have to know me. Alright, the bowl is done. That's pretty much it. Peace out, fam.